What's going on, beautifuls? Auntie Goo is back with your FabFitFun Fall 2022 box. I've got 3 minutes or less, so let's get her done. Short, sweet, and straight to the point. Let's do it. All right, so my first choice, by the way, it is like $211 for the entire year annual membership, and that's 4 seasons, or like $49 per season. I will leave you a code at the end so you can save some money because that's how I do for you. But let's do this. So, this box, $519.40. That's right, I said it. This box retails for $519.40. My first choice was the Trophy Skin. $99 it retails for. You see that red light happening there? Yeah, it's happening. You put your serum on, you rub it in, $99 just for this tool. I used it last night. It was amazing. Check more info to check out how this works because it's friggin' awesome. The next choice that I had was the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice a Moisturizer. Check out that bottle. Smells amazing. So moisturizing. So smooth. Loving it already. This bad boy, you want to know what that retails for? Let me tell you. On itself, that retails for $39. The box is like 40 something season. That alone, on top of the 99, we cover that shit and then some. My next choice was, I live in Florida, I am a sunglass girl. $80 for the bad boys. Without trying them on, it's hard for me to know. But, well, I'll put them in my box, damn right, and do I love them? Darn tootin', Jerry Newton. Welcome to Florida, bitches. $80, loving them. My next choice. Now, it's hard to choose like brushes and stuff, but these are the Luxie Enchanted Eye Set. $64. Comes with 4 different brushes. Do your eyes up. I haven't used them, but I will let you know, babes. I'll keep you posted. My next choice was the Skin Chemist London Pure Collagen Bypass Serum. $39.90. Shake it up, put it on, used it last night. Friggin' phenomenal. The last choice that I had is the, and I have not used this yet, but I will keep you posted. It is the Indie Lee Stick Oil Facial Oil. $36. Loving it. Haven't used it, but loving it. So would I just buy $36 facial oil? No. But I'm going to try it and love it. You're damn right I am. Anyways, I will put in my code. I also got a few extra things. I'll keep you posted and let you know in the next video. Sorry to make a second one. Love you. Here's the code. Stay amazing. Peace, love, chicken wings. Love ya.